Do you think 5G antennas on billion-dollar warships must be made from premium materials like titanium, stainless steel, or aerospace alloys? You are totally wrong. Chinese researchers have just created a real shock by successfully using photo paper to build a flexible 5G antenna for naval use. And guess what? It cuts material costs by 95% and is up to 300 times cheaper than US equipment. How is a flimsy piece of paper shaking up traditional military technology? Let's uncover this surreal tech right now. To get blazing fast 5G out on the open ocean, the US Navy is playing an insanely expensive money-burning game. They are pursuing high-end solutions based on low Earth orbit satellites. Sounds impressive, but the price tag is incredibly steep. Just a single contract to deploy a wireless network for about 140 ships under the US Military Sealift Command is worth a staggering $99 million. Furthermore, just one research terminal alone can eat up more than $6 million. But on the other side of the globe, a research team led by Yang Wendong at Liaoning Technical University is shaking their heads at those prices. Instead of burning money, they use paper. In a 2023 domestic project carried out by China Unicom, the cost to provide indoor 5G coverage for 3 ships was only about 57,000 yuan. That's less than 20,000 yuan per ship. On average, China's equipment development costs are 300 times cheaper than America's. If the US saw this receipt, they'd probably break a sweat. So what kind of magic does this fake paper hold? The Secret, recently published in the Chinese Journal of Ship Research, reveals it all. The breakthrough lies in replacing traditional, expensive and rigid substrate materials with commercial photo paper, the kind you can buy at any print shop, with an ultra-thin thickness of under 0.3 millimeters. They then combine it with conductive copper ink using screen printing technology. Just like that, you have a fully functional millimeter wave antenna. It might look fragile, but it packs a serious punch. Even though it's made of paper, the radiation efficiency of this system exceeds 80%. The transmission and reception are extremely stable, with signal gains reaching 4.3 and 3.8 dBi at the 28 GHz and 38 GHz bands. The most crucial frequency ranges for high-speed 5G. What's more, to combat interference from the metal hull, this brilliant design utilizes a thin layer of air as a buffer. Combined with a divine cross-shaped decoupling structure, this paper antenna expertly reduces cross-interference, achieving an impressive isolation of better than -32 decibels. Another money-making feature is its microscopic size. It's only 43 millimeters long and 25 millimeters wide, about half the size of your ATM card. Paired with the natural flexibility of paper, this antenna can be easily bent and attached directly to curved surfaces like ship bulkheads or pipes. This is a fatal blow in naval warfare because it optimizes space and, most importantly, supports stealth. Unlike bulky, rigid traditional devices that enemy radars can easily spot, a piece of paper stuck flat against the hull leaves radar completely blind. And it's not just limited to the sea. This paper antenna technology is also biodegradable and super eco-friendly. Thanks to ultra-cheap materials and easy mass production, it opens up massive potential to be applied to drones, mobile communication devices, smart warehouses, or dropped into Internet of Things, IoT, nodes. It is truly a cheap, durable, and convenient last-mile solution. But hold on, stop right there for a second. Don't go buying photo paper to stick on your paddle boat just yet. Although this technology is designed to fit the complex environments on ships and withstand the effects of metal, moisture, and sea salt, the researchers themselves admit a harsh truth. Most of the tests are still being conducted safely inside a laboratory. Its long-term operational capability and durability when facing fierce winds, giant waves, and the harsh realities of the ocean remain a big question mark that needs further real-world verification. Regardless, this photopaper 5G antenna technology is a groundbreaking milestone, serving as a massive wake-up call to insanely expensive military costs. Will the US have a counter-strategy, or will this low-cost tech truly change the landscape of global communications? What do you think about this dirt-cheap gadget with universal ambitions? Drop your analysis in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more fascinating tech news. Goodbye, and see you next time.